Alright, so this one is for all the content creators and cinema enthusiasts out there who like to shoot a lot of video content. Well, GoPro has just refreshed its entire lineup in India. What we have this year is the GoPro Mission 1, and not just the regular model, you also have a Pro model, the Mission 1 Pro, and this also comes with a special creator edition where you get a lot of accessories to go along with your GoPro. And this on my left hand is actually something really special that blows my mind. This is the GoPro Mission 1 ILS, one of its kind GoPro. You can see right here it has a actual camera lens attached to it, makes your life a lot easier. This is really special. I'm going to touch upon it in a minute, but first let me talk about this regular model. Now this is a completely new lineup. Last year we had the GoPro Hero 13 Black. What GoPro is doing this year is it's going beyond action photography, action cinematography. It's telling you that if you're a content creator, if you shoot a lot of videos, then this one camera is your simple solution for everything. You don't need to carry those big cameras in your bag. You can carry multiple of these small compact cameras and shoot an entire film, a documentary, a short film on it. I don't know, there's a bunch of opportunities right there. And the big thing here, the big highlight of this model is that there is finally a 1-inch sensor inside a GoPro. Now that's huge for anybody who's used any sort of camera. They know what that means. In case you haven't, well, let me break it down for you. The bigger the sensor, the more light comes in, which means you get better shots, more accurate shots. And not just this, GoPro has also increased the pixel size on this particular camera. So while there's more light coming in, you're also getting better details in everything that you capture, which means really accurate, really sharp footage that you get on this particular camera. The display is a 2.6-inch OLED display, absolutely brilliant. There are a bunch of presets within the camera. So let's say if you're not that tech heavy, you're a creator, you make cooking videos, you make you travel a lot, or you are just a racing driver but you don't understand a lot of technicalities of a camera, you don't want to put in a lot of effort into selecting the settings and all. There are these presets, you simply tap on them, they are ready made for you. You can shoot your footage just like that. But if you are somebody who is really into cameras, you understand the tech, then you can create your own presets. You can play around with settings. There's a new 8K 30 open gate format which allows you to take out different formats of footage from the same file. So you can shoot in that format. Let's say you want to take out a 16:9 video for YouTube, you can do it, but from the same footage you can also take out a vertical 9:16 footage for your Instagram handle with exactly the same colors, same details, and there's a lot of flexibility within that. Then there's also support for 960 FPS for your really cool slow-mo shots. So if you are shooting in 1080p, let's say you shoot for 10 seconds, you actually get a 5-minute footage. If you're shooting in 4K, you shoot for the same 10 seconds, you'll still get a really crisp 1-minute slow-mo shot. The power buttons have also been placed in a way, let's say if you put this on your helmet, on your bike, anywhere, you don't need to look for these buttons. They're already slightly coming out of the body. Just tap on them, you can start shooting on the go. There are a bunch of cool accessories like the one you see here, this grip. It allows you to, sort of adjust it and ensure the amount of light that you want to let inside the sensor. So if the sun is too harsh, you can take it out slightly and ensure that the lens is still protected. To round it up, the battery on this thing has also been improved despite the compact size. So no matter whether shooting in 1080p or 4K, you will still get longer shooting times. Now, switching to the crazier, more cool thing. This is the GoPro ILS, and just look at this thing. It's compatible with any lens. You can simply add these lenses on this camera and it gives you so much flexibility as a photographer, as a videographer. Let's say you're into sports photography, wildlife photography, you make short films. This becomes like the perfect camera system for you. You don't need that bulky body anymore. Now, I am really looking forward to shoot a lot of videos from this. The only downside is it's still not going to be available in the market. The ILS model is coming in September. Of course, the Mission 1 Pro is already available now in India. It starts at 75,000 rupees. With the creators kit goes up to 95,000 rupees. Yes, it's slightly on the expensive side, and that's understandable given the current geopolitical scenario. But if you are somebody who's making a lot of content, who's into action photography, well, this is the thing. And you know what? The charm of taking this thing underwater till 20 meters, that's totally unmatched.